Good morning, everyone. I thought that today I would show you my favourite way of joining yarns. At the moment I'm making an ends ball to do a border on a baby blanket, and I'm joining up all these small leftover parts of yarn. And I don't particularly like weaving in ends, so I thought I'll do them all in my favourite join. I call this the Russian Doctor because it's an amalgamation of two different ways to join. First of all is the surgeon's knot, which I will show you. You get your two ends, you cross them over, put it underneath. That's one. And then you do it a second time. Okay? Make sure you have a decent tail. Then you go the other way. Once and twice. You see that? And now you just pull them tight as you can. What it is, the second twist pulls on itself. That way it will never go loose. You can pick this apart with a needle. It is reasonably easy to pick apart with a wool needle, but it won't come loose on its own because the second twist stops it. Then what I do is the second part, and this is a joining technique that I came across years ago for joining yarns when you're making doilies. And generally those yarns are natural fibres like cotton or wool. But what you do is you get your yarn, put it on the wool needle, like so. Ooh, maybe a bit better than that. Oh, that's not going to work. Try again. There you go. Right, so the end of your yarn is on the wool needle. And then, as close as you can get to the knot, just go in and out. Going through the plies. You're not, you're pushing the needle between the plies as they're twisted. Don't straighten the plies out, keep them twisted, like so. And then pull the end of the needle through. See how it's all concertinaed up where I've gone in and out and in and out? And keep pulling like so. Pull from the knot with your fingernails, and there you go. You've hidden your end and you've joined it. Now both of these things can be used on their own. You can do the surgeon knot on its own, you can do the Russian join on its own, but I like to have the added security, so I do them together. Get my needle. So I'll do the other end so you can see what it looks like. First of all, try it that way. If that way doesn't work, we do the other way. That way worked this time. Now, if your end is too short, okay, you can use the back end of the needle. And you just do the same thing. Out, in, out. Don't do too big a weaving, too big a jumps along. That should do. Push the needle through. Find the loose end. Pull it out of the eye. Pull the needle out. And then you just pull it straight. You can roll it a bit between your fingers, but that has woven your ends in, and also it matches your colours up, so you're not going to have the yellow going through the red or the red going through the yellow. And that is how I join my yarns together in almost every project. Thick yarn, thin yarn, it should all work. And it doesn't come undone. And that is it. I hope it's useful to you.